then next are from Rusty's Vanity. You have the Rusty's Vanity Gleaming Lavish Mascara. And then the Rusty's Vanity Liquid Eyeliner. And then you have also the Auto Eyebrow Pencil in brown. So I already did a review also about this on my blog and also on here on my YouTube channel. Then from Caroline Cosmetics, Strawberry Cone. Iba kasi damage. I have butterscotch. I have an ongoing giveaway. So check that out. I have a Caroline giveaway on this channel and also on my Instagram. Then Swift Red. Ang ayoko lang is the smell actually. Medyo matapang. And then Taylor Red. Mga Taylor Swift dyan. Then Lollipop. Napaka-frosty. And what else? You have, hindi ko pa na-open, Cotton Candy. Next products are lipsticks from Super Beauty. Actually, please correct me if I'm wrong sa pag-pronounce. Pero kasi search ko yung spelling nung sa beaut is yung B-E-A-U-T, E is beauty. I already filmed my lipstick swatches about this lipstick. And I got all the shades kasi nakuha ko siya sa promo na kasi na buy one take one. Ayan, ang cute ng packaging, super. I got the Orangey Gorgeous. I like to move it. And then Pinky Promise. Pinky Promise. Very Exotic. And then the Ready For You. And also Thin Concealing Stick. Yung next, nakuha ko lang siya, na-order ko lang siya sa isang tao pero twice. The first order ko sa kanya is nakita ko yung bundle. Tint, Super Beauty Tint Bundle. So, syempre, grab naman ako. Ito lang actually yung Pre-Love. Itong dalawa is brand new ko nakuha. Nakalimutan ko magkano ko nakuha sa kanya. Pero, sale na ko nakuha sa kanya. I mean, lower than its original selling price. Ayan, Tint Powder Foundation. Then, the Tint Two-Way Turn Your Skin Flawless. Two-Way Powder. Then, the Tint Fluid Foundation. Next set na na-order ko sa kanya is ito. Hard Candy Fox in a Box. This is Fashionista Blush. Tatlong blush and meron isang eyeshadow na nude color. Ito siya. Yan. Cute na. Very red. UK brand. Ang gusto ko kasi ang laki ng mirror. Grabe. Ito. Ayan. Ang laki ng mirror, diba? This blush, and then the nude eyeshadow. Gusto kasi ang laki ng mirror niya. And then may freebie na naman ako na Bare Minerals Facial Cleanser and Nourishing Moisturizer. Ayun. Thank you! Ito yung pinaka nagustuhan ko is the BH San Francisco palette. As in, uy, sabi ko, mura ko siyang makuha. Kasi hindi naman talaga ako pa eyeshadow palette, pero natuwa lang ako. Meron na naman siyang 4 blush. May blush na naman ako. Ayan. Ayan, ang ganda. Then you have the eyeshadow on the side. Ayan. Day to night eyeshadow. Diba bongga? So, magki-create ako next time ng looks using this palette. The last from Makeupaholics ay itong lipsticks again. Puro City Color Cosmetics. So, sealed pa. Hindi ko pa talaga ino-open kasi pipicturean ko pa. First shade, ano ba to? Marisa. Ayan yung color niya.
Siyempre, nagawa naman ako ng watch video. Gwen. Ayan, siyempre, dark. And then, Missy. Pink na pink. Tammy. Parang plum. Ayan o, mga violet. Ultra pink. Ayan o, ang bongga. Jasmine.
Next is City Color Contour Stick and Highlight. Ayun, sa wakas. Actually, medyo ano pa ako dito. Alanganin at first kasi mahal, 380. Mamahalan ako. Pero, binili ko na kasi sayang yung shipping fee. And umorder na rin naman ako. Oo, alam ko, excuses. The shade is deep. Sealed pa, hindi ko pa kasi na-open. So, pwede na ako gumawa ng contour and highlight video. And last but not the least is this. Super talagang nakita ko sa website na sold out. Chinat ko yung may owner and inask ko kung may Figtastic palette siya kasi ayan, gusto ko yung mga ash color ng eyeshadow. Hindi nga lang siya ganun ka-sturdy. Ayan. Ang gaganda ng kulay. Ayan, check that out. Tignan nyo. Please. Yan, let's appreciate the colors. Ay, naku, kailan ko kaya magagamit to? So, that's the end of my collective haul videos. Don't forget to subscribe on my channel. Thumbs up if you like this video. Huwag nyo naman i-dislike. Thumbs up naman tayo. Be positive. And then, don't forget to share this on your social networking sites. And also, syempre, follow me on my Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat. All is Karen Liz Escobar. My Facebook page, Dreamcatcher, and also my blog. And hope to see you on my next vid. Bye-bye, Dreamcatcher! Mag-post tayo for a screenshot.